Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURJPY, Euro Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of Euro JPY in front of us right now, and if you have watched my previous video, then you are in a good profit right now, because I have already received many comments and messages where people have shown their gratitude and happiness. Okay, and to be honest, I really feel happy when you all make money from my analysis. Okay, because I clearly mentioned in my previous video that do not trade as long as market is trading in this range. Short the market below this level and go long above this line, and as expected, market did give us a breakout, and yes, you all have made good profit. Okay, so what should be our next strategy on Euro JPY? So let's try to find out what is going on in the chart, then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. Clear? So as market has already given us a breakout and market has broke this line, so therefore this line is no longer required. So if you have this line from my earlier videos, then I'll request you right now to remove the lines, because those lines are not required anymore. So right, and still you can see that market is in downtrend, therefore there is no doubt about the trend of the market. And if we look at the present trend also, yes, we can see that there is heavy selling pressure going on. And as we all know, the basic rule of the market says follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is a downtrend, we should mainly look for selling or shorting opportunities. And as we can clearly see on the chart that this market is a downtrend, therefore following the basic rules, thumb rule of the market, we should mainly look for shorting opportunities. So right now we have the answer. What we need to do here, we should mainly look for shorting. We should mainly short the market or look for shorting opportunities. The second important point is area of value. Okay. Area of value, in simple words, the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot in the market. The best trading opportunity in an uptrend market, if a market is going up, the best trading opportunity is always near this support, or in an uptrend market you'll always get the best price near the support. And in a downtrend market, when a market is falling, in a downtrend market you will get the best price near the resistance. So in an uptrend market, area of value is near the support, whereas in a downtrend market the area of value is near the resistance. And as we can clearly see that Euro JPY is in a clean downtrend, therefore our area of value or the best trading opportunity will also be near the resistance. Clear? Okay. And as you can see that I have already drawn a line here, and if you have watched my previous videos, then you already have this line. And if you do not have, then I'll request you, my dear friend, that you should draw this line on a charting platform, because this line is very important for Euro JPY. As you can clearly see on the chart that since June, this trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. It means that whenever market was trying to go up, it didn't allow. Market failed to cross the previous high. Therefore, you must draw this trend line, because this trend line is a strong resistance for the market. Clear? Therefore, as per the basic rule and a thumb rule of the market, the best trading opportunity on the Euro JPY chart is shorting the market in this trend line. If market goes up from here, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, doesn't matter. Whenever market will be hitting the trend line again, your duty as a trader is to observe the price and see how the price is doing, how the price is reacting. If you see that price is struggling near the resistance, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this trend line is still a valid resistance for the market, and you can short the market right away. Clear? That is your first trading opportunity. But right now we can see that the current market price, market is trading here, the current market price is far away from the trend line. Therefore we must also look for something else, isn't it? Yeah. So before jumping to the other charts, okay, let's Look at the Forex sentiment meter once. You'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avirashhazarika.com. Under Forex 101 section, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter. So this is the Euro JPY here, and you can see that 27% retail traders have taken short position and 72% retail traders have taken long position. It means that 72% retail traders are thinking that market will be going up. This is the condition of the market. You can see that there is a sharp fall. Okay, there was a sharp fall on the market, and mostly the retail traders are thinking that market will be going up, and they took a long position. And this is the main reason why 90% retail traders lose money. So my dear friends, from now onwards, always try to take a position against the sentiment of the retail traders. Okay, to be honest, I always try to take a position against the sentiment meter. Okay, and if you go to the Forex volatility calculator here, okay, this is the Forex volatility calculator on the same page. You can see that in the 15 minutes you can expect a movement of 2.8 pips, in the 30 minutes you can expect a movement of 5.7, in the 1 hour 5.4, and in the 4 hours you can expect a movement of 19.4 pips only. Okay, and my dear friends, recently I have launched a Pro Trader membership program where you can be a part of my regular analysis. Just for $15 per month, I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities that are available on the Forex market. So if you join the membership, you do not need to do any homework. I'll be doing the homework for you. If you're interested, just check out the information here. And for further details, you can also go to the Pro Trader tab. Okay. So let's go to the chart again. This is our chart. So the first trading opportunity, we have understood that we can short the market today, tomorrow, doesn't matter, at the resistance here. And if you go to a weekly chart here, and in the weekly chart we can see that the support and resistance levels are quite far away, so we do not have anything prominent from the weekly chart. And if we go to 1 hour chart to look for some precise trading opportunities, then we can see that the 1 hour chart is also not giving us any particular level here. But what we can do is that, okay, in case there is a sudden selling pressure on the market again, listen to me carefully, in case there is a sudden selling pressure on the market again, you can short the market below this level, or below the low point of the previous candle. It means that you can short the market below 128.40. Just there is only one condition, and that is only short the market when you see that there is a sudden selling pressure or heavy selling pressure on the market. Because see, try to understand the fact or logic here. Already market has fallen from a good height, therefore market is already in the oversold zone in the higher time frame. Therefore only short the market below 128.4 level or below this level when there is a sudden selling pressure or good selling pressure. Otherwise, do not short the market. Already you have made a good profit on Euro JPY. Therefore, short the market below 128.40 in case there is a selling pressure, or wait for the market to go up again. Okay, when market will be hitting this resistance, then also you can short the market. Okay, and that's it. No more complications. I do not want to complicate the scene any further. So this is the, hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.